just totally epic, just so overwhelmed to kind of have a whole year of the effort that everybody's put in to get to this point. You know, the whole team, all of the supply partners, everybody, absolutely thrilled.
I head up our innovation team within engineering, and we work right across the business looking at how we can influence the use of innovation to drive efficiency and improvement in everything we do at United Utilities.
My husband and I set up the business in 2017, really with the goal to create a sustainable future through using 3D construction printing technology. And it's that 5-year journey that we've been on that has led us to being in the water sector by being able to go through the United Utilities Innovation Lab. The lab process itself was a 12-week design sprint, and we were able to identify the best example for the lab, which was the distribution chamber. We were able to then progress that with United Utilities support and funding into a full-scale demonstration that we're able to see at Weaverham, and this has been very much the focus for us for the last 6 to 8 months.
I think we were really thrilled to have worked with the ChangeMaker 3D team throughout the innovation lab process and to develop the use case for the water chamber. Really, the demonstration just gives us that next level of understanding of the technology, the print. It gave us the chance to run all the technical testing that we would want to do around the chamber, particularly something like water tightness would be really important for us for a distribution chamber. So being able to demonstrate has allowed us to really get a better understanding of the use of 3D concrete printing.
The whole thing, I mean, this chamber is printed in about 4 hours. It cures very, very quickly and can be dropped into place. What we've managed to do is refine the product itself, and the end result is much, much less material. In terms of vehicle waiting times, attendance on site, all of that, it all comes down. It should be a much, much more efficient process.
It's an incredibly exciting industry, working within innovation, but it's also the impact that the industry can have through a carbon footprint. It's about educating young people and inspiring them to come forth and really embrace the future and what their future holds for them, and hopefully we can shape it with them.
That's our passion. It's at the heart of everything that we stand for and everything that we do.
In terms of increasing skills in the sector and developing young people, that's really aligned with United Utilities' social value goals, and ChangeMaker 3D can really help us to do that.
So we were able to work with Cyber Construction, who were able to provide the printing input, and our design and project management partners with Constructure, Bailey Garner and Automatatio. And it's that team of changemakers that have just been the inspiration with us really over the last 6 to 8 months. And the United Utilities team, you know, they've been with us every step of the way.
Really important for us to bring our partners along on the journey, to air any of their concerns with an innovative technology and to make sure that we address them with all the technical testing and the demonstration work that we do, because we're actually going to ask those partners to actually use the technology in the future, and they need to be comfortable with the use of it as well as us as the client. I think what we found with the work that we've had beyond the Innovation Lab is that ChangeMaker have really introduced us to other industries. We've been collaborating with HS2, really sharing our experiences and learning from each other, and really trying to make a difference for the whole of the UK. And adopting new approaches can be quite challenging, but we're in it together and we're learning together. We can really push ourselves on further and much quicker.
There would be a digital library of various components that, be it a kind of fairly remote site, we could drive to the site with the printer on the back of the wagon, see what is needed, select which item you need out of the digital library, print on site, either literally in situ or on the back of the wagon adjacent.
I think the future looks very exciting for water companies working in this space. We've got a massive challenge ahead of us as we move into our next investment period. We have a huge programme to deliver each water company, and we need to do it in a short space of time. So technologies like 3D concrete printing can drive the efficiency, but really we need to meet our net zero goals for carbon, and we really need to make savings in the carbon impact that we have, and ChangeMaker 3D can really help us to do that.
So the next steps for us are to continue to work with United Utilities and to grow the opportunity and to grow the impact. And we know that we won't do that on our own. We know that it will be a journey that we all get behind, and it's the move towards a sustainable future that leaves a lighter footprint on the planet.